Yes, I do.
Come here, man. Me have something to say to the people. Don't move, you know. Come. But then people are not disrespect, but me know my levels. Come up to my levels. Yeah, man. Come up to my levels. Yeah, man. On the level up now. Yo. Never in our time of history, so much people in our world is anemic because them are drinking wrong water and them are trick you through the water industry. Your body's been leached of nutrients, and this is one of the major nutrients to your body I leach from. This is an iron solution when we provide. You see, most time, if you want your doctor lose money, most time you're sick, go on iron. Me meaning real iron, and your doctor lose money. You'd have come off a hospital bed within a week. Because iron are the spark plug of the human body. Without iron, you don't have no energy. And what is energy? In the Latin dictionary, blood. Iron make your blood, the red pigment in our blood, where they call haemoglobin, we allow the blood to be oxygenated. And what you think, Becky? You don't think that this is important for you now? Well, go see my shop. Locally here in Jamaica, I just 3,500 fee buckle. The 15 ml. And you're not done this, you know, it's just 3 drops. This iron is made from the ring of 16 plant bark, which is the highest medicinal plant in Jamaica. The first one we are talking about is Saucy Perla. We ring it. Yo, you know what? Alright, go back down. When you're ready to help yourself, come up back to my level. Go back down. If you're not ready for plant food. Yeah, man. See the link in my bio.